Now, let's solve this together. Here we are asked to convert 75 in base 10 to base 2. This number is in base 10, so we are to convert it from base 10 to base 2. Alright, so and in order for us to convert it to base 2, we are to divide it by 2. That is, we will keep dividing it by 2. The answer we get, we will still divide it by 2 till we get to 0. Alright, now follow me, let's solve it together. Okay? Okay. Here we have our 75, our 2. How many 2 can we find in 75? That is 37. Remainder 1. Alright? Then we'll divide again using 2. How many 2 can we find in 37? That is 18. Remainder 1. Then you divide again using 2. How many 2 can we find in 18? That is 9. Remainder 0. Okay? Then we divide again using 2. How many 2 can we find in 9? That is 4. Remainder 1. We will still divide by 2. Here we're going to have 2 remainder 0. We divide again 1 remainder 0. We divide again. Now here now we are going to have 0 remainder this one, because we cannot find 2 in 1. Reason 1 is not up to 2. So we cannot find any 2 in 1. That is why we have 0 here. Because no 2 we can find in 1. We write 0. Remember this one. Alright? Now, the ones we are going to write out as our answer are this our remainder. But we are not writing it from up here down. Rather, we will start from down up. Okay, we will start writing from this 100 and not from 110. We'll start from down up. So our answer is going to be 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 in base 2. In base 2. So this is our final answer. We have converted 75 in base 10 to this in base 2. That is 1001 011 in base 2. As simple as that.